Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you which fuse to check in case you're having problems with the oxygen O2 sensors. So in case you have like a check engine light on and the codes are pointing towards the O2 sensors, the first thing you can do is check the fuse, and then if the fuse is good, then you want to look at the wiring towards the sensors and the sensors themselves and replace if necessary. But like I said, it's always easiest first to check the fuse. This doesn't happen too often that this fuse will be burned, but I've seen a couple of times on different vehicles, so it doesn't hurt because it will take like a couple of minutes. This video should apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so it is quite sunny outside and I hope you'll be able to see what I'm doing. The fuse will be in the main fuse box, which is here on the driver's side next to the battery. To remove the cover, there is like a black tab here on the top and you want to push it up to unlock it. Once you remove the cover, on the back side of the cover there is a small fuse diagram, and this red piece, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of these fuses. And the fuse you want to check will be fuse number F32, which is a 10 amperate fuse located right here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.